Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a FASHOM style box to share with you, and I'm really excited to get into this box because I have not ordered a FASHOM style box in a while. This one is not a subscription. You have to actually go to the website or go on the app and request a box. I did that. If they don't come automatically on a monthly subscription, sometimes I forget, but look how pretty this FASHOM box is. I'm sitting in front of my window again, so I'm going to try to show everything in the best light. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. I'm Kelly Shaffner. I make videos about women's clothing, women's fashion. If you enjoy that, I sure hope you will subscribe. To my returning friends, hello. It is so nice to see you. This box shipped very quickly. My stylist did send me a preview. I did accept 5 pieces. And I believe they are all tops or sweaters, if I remember correctly. Let's just get in and see what 5 pieces I have received from FASHOM. Now here is what the inside of the box looks like, and I have on the top a note from my stylist and an invoice. There is a styling fee when you put in a request for your FASHOM box. I believe there is also a hold on your credit card. Just a hold. I'm not exactly sure, but I will leave everything you need to know about FASHOM and getting a box, a style box for yourself in the description box below. I have a referral code. If you use my referral code, you will get a little bit of credit, and so will I. Thank you to everyone that has used my code. I do have some credit on this box, which is always a lot of fun. I'm going to look at the invoice later. They also include a return mailer. Postage is free both ways with FASHOM. If there's anything that doesn't work for me or anything I need to exchange, I'll just put it in this bag and drop it off at the post office. And let's get the bundle out. Okay, so here is the bundle, and it's all wrapped up in this beautiful FASHOM logo paper. This is what it looks like. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's open it up. On the top, we have a 20-second. That's what this one is called. So this is a really soft knit fabric, and it's almost in a lavender color. And then we have this fun sleeve in a floral. I think it's just the sleeves. So this has a sweatshirt vibe to me, although it feels more like a knit fabric. Okay, that's interesting. And then this one, what are you? Oh, we have a hoodie. Okay, this is a rayon blend. I believe this one has rayon in it. It's super soft. I'll check the fabric and share that with you in the try-on portion. So the hood has a lace detail on it. This is like a light green, almost an olive green, mixed material again with the gray and cream colored stripe. It does have a kangaroo pocket, and it looks to be a longer length. This is really silky fabric, so this might be a little bit clingy. We'll see when we try it on. I like this one. This looks like a nice, fun, casual piece. Next is something in, okay, what's the color? I'm going to call this rust. What color are you and what? Oh, another hoodie. Okay, this one feels like a fleece hoodie, although it's not a soft fleece on the inside, but it has a real sweatshirt feel to it. And long sleeve, kangaroo pocket, and kind of a burnt orange or a rust color with a hood and a drawstring. It almost looks like a keyhole. We'll see how that fits when I try it on. Next up, we have another hoodie. And again, super, super soft. Now these are more muted colors. That's a coral and gray and a couple, there's like a dark blue and a light blue. They do have, that's really thin. This is really a thin fabric. Again, it's really silky. I have a feeling this is going to be a rayon blend. I would love it if this was cotton, but it's be like modal if it's cotton. We do have the heathered gray sleeves there, the hoodie, and the drawstring. So everything looks really nice and casual. And then let's see, what's this polka dot number? I like this already. Cardigan? Yeah, it's a cardigan. And this one is by Les Amis, and I like that brand. And it has pockets. Look at this. Oh, fun. Let's try it on. Tried everything on. I like a few pieces. I love one piece, so stick around and see which piece that is. I do have my invoice. And I want to share with you the fabulous discounts that FASHOM offers. They do offer a 30% discount if I keep all 5 things. Fabulous discount, but they also offer 25% off if I keep 3 or 4 items. So that is really awesome too. And I think I have at least 3 pieces to keep in this box. I can't wait to hear what you think about the items that I received. Be sure and let me know what your favorites are in the comments below, because you ladies really help me to make my decisions on what I'm going to keep. This box is filled with casual pieces, which really fits my lifestyle right now. So my stylist did a fabulous job of sending options that will really work for me. Let's talk about each piece. I realized I didn't tell you all the labels because I was kind of excited when I was doing the unboxing. The first piece I tried on is this piece by 22nd. It's the one that kind of has a sweatshirt-like feel, but it's not. And this is a polyester blend, and it does have the really fun floral print sleeves on it with the elastic cuffs. And I really like the sleeves. I love this floral. A small floral works for me so much better than the big florals. I wish the sleeve was a little bit puffier because I like a dramatic sleeve, but I really don't know if I need drama on every sweatshirt that I wear. This one is a very comfortable piece, and it's $43. I'm leaning towards keeping it. I can't quit feeling it because it feels incredibly soft. So it's very casual, but I am thinking about keeping this piece. Please let me know what you think about it. I don't know. Is that a good color for me? I like this one, and I especially like that contrasting black floral with it. The first hoodie that I tried is in a very light olive color, and this is also by the brand 22nd. And this one's only $42. It is a rayon blend. It's about 95% rayon. The rest is spandex. It is very stretchy. It's very silky. It almost feels like pajamas, so you know it would be very comfortable to wear. There is a lace detail down the hood, and that's actually see-through. I don't know. Can you see me through the lace? I mean, I don't know. I don't know if that's kind of cute, but I can live without cute. This one, I like it, but I did have a problem with it. It has the kangaroo pouch on it, which fell right at my fluffy tummy, and I feel like it just drew my eye to my stomach because of the contrasting kangaroo pocket. I think this is a really cute piece. It's clingy. I like the longer length. I don't think this is the one for me because I couldn't get over where the placement of the kangaroo pouch, which is exactly where it's supposed to be placed, but because it is a contrasting color, it really, my eye just kept looking at my fluffy tummy. So even for $42, it's a good price. A really, I mean, just a luxurious feeling garment. I'm gonna send this one back. Hoodie number 2. This is by Paper Moon. And this is kind of in a rust color. This is the Ella Asymmetric. Where is the, I'm not getting where the asymmetric is unless it is this seaming here. This one does not have a kangaroo pocket. It actually has 2 separate pockets, and the pockets are not stitched underneath. Well, that's not a problem if you're just using pockets for your hands, but you do have to take special care when washing because if you don't dry it flat or steam it afterwards, those pockets, you know, they might get kind of crumpled up. This one is 100% cotton. I like that. It's only $39. I think the drawstring on the hood, or just the way this is made, is a little bit different. It ties up very high, but it still has almost like a keyhole effect in the front. I thought that was weird. I would never tie it anyway. I would just leave it untied. This one felt short on me. And so I was a little bit bothered by the length. I do like that it's 100% cotton. It is not a super soft sweatshirt, which that's normally what I pull for. I like just an old school fleece sweatshirt, and you know, the fleece gets better with every wash. It just gets softer and softer. And the fleece in this one it's not even fleece. It's just the underside. It's just the cotton the underside of this fabric. $39. I thought I was going to like this one more, and if it was a little bit longer, I think I think this would be staying with me. Hoodie number 3. This one is by Chris and Carol, I believe. Yeah, this is the Chris and Carol. This is the striped, they call this one a top, the striped hooded top. This one is also a rayon blend. It feels really soft. This is rayon poly spandex. I like this one a little bit better. It does not have a kangaroo pocket on it. And it's got the stripes, which I wasn't sure about, but when I put it on, this one has a Baja feel. Would you agree with me on that? I feel like I should be somewhere warm wearing this, as I'm taking a long walk on the beach. I like this one, surprisingly. I like the longer length of it. It does not have any pockets, which is fine if I'm wearing it as a top, but this one could be worn with skinny jeans. It could also be worn with leggings, which I like. This one is $45. It does not have elastic anywhere on it. It's just a really soft, comfy, cozy, casual piece that I didn't think I was gonna like it. I don't know if these are necessarily fall colors. I'll wear it in the fall. What do you think? You guys like this one? I think it's pretty special. The final piece is my favorite. This is the cardigan, the gray heathered cardigan with the black polka dots on it and all the solid black trim on the cuffs, around the collar, down the front, and then of course these contrasting solid black pockets, perfect pocket placement. I might add it's a longer length, my favorite. I also think this was a fabulous fit on me, because the front of the cardigan actually would and could cover my chest if I wanted to. That is my preferred fit on a cardigan. This is an open front. There is no closure on this. This is just an all-around great cardigan. The price is $52. I think that's a little bit high because this is a very lightweight cardigan. But thank goodness that FASHOM does offer the fabulous discounts, because if I can keep 3 pieces, I can get this for 25% off. So I think I will keep the cardigan. What do you think about this piece? This Baja looking hooded top. I'm thinking about keeping this one. And I also like this top an awful lot with the mixed material, the sleeves. That's what I'm thinking about keeping out of this box. If I did keep everything, the total of this box is $221, but the discount is $66.30, which brings the total to $154.70. That's pretty awesome for 5 pieces of clothing and 3 hoodies and a cardigan and a really cool top. I'm very, very pleased with the price point of FASHOM. I'm also really excited to add some fun and casual pieces to my wardrobe. I think my stylist did a remarkable job picking pieces that I can wear right this moment. This fits right into my lifestyle. What did you think about this FASHOM? Truthfully, I'm very happy that I decided to get a box because it has been far too long since I have seen a FASHOM box at my doorstep. So that's it. That's my FASHOM. That's my try-on. I just have to make up my mind. And you ladies always help me do that with your comments and your styling tips. So thank you for all your support. And can I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Please subscribe and join me for another video. I'll be back in just a few days with another one. We'll see you then. Blessings.